today I'm not only struggling here with my voice, definitely caught something weird, but I'm struggling here also in my new office where I need to record the videos for you. You can definitely hear this very annoying echoing a lot here. The audio is not the same as it was before, not on the camera which I'm using here and not on the microphone here. It's definitely not good. I know that you don't have to tell me, but there's a good solution. And of course, what I have to do on the long run is to add some padding on the side, some kind of an echo suppressing foam. But until then, I have found also another solution. So if you're in the same situation, you don't want to spend a lot of money on adding a lot of padding all the way around. There's also a software solution. I've been looking for that for a little bit. I've been trying a couple of different noise suppressing software functions, and the best thing which I have found, which is free to use, is the Adobe noise cleaning function. It's actually intended to clean audio when you're talking outside, maybe having a lot of noise from the road, but it looks like it's also doing a pretty good job here inside.
So I'm doing a little bit of a cut here, and so the rest of the video will be cleaned by the Adobe Voice Cleaner. Can't remember exactly the name, but I'll put down the link to this website down into the description of the video, so you can just click on it and use it. As far as I know, you have to set up your account. I think you can also use your Google account on Adobe, and then you can upload your MP3 there. I think it's not possible to upload like an MP4. So when you have a video, you have to split the audio track and the video track, and then only upload the audio track. Then let it work for a couple of minutes. It says it takes up to 10 minutes. After finishing, you can download and match it with the video again. Of course, not a problem with most of the video editors. And so I'd say that's already it. I'm at the end with my voice anyway for today. And so I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or have found a better free solution, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.